Welcome to 1775 South Cochran. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,288 square foot home has many features. This home is located on 0.78 acres. The large living room. Every room was recently painted. Nearly all of the carpet has been replaced. The large dining area. The kitchen features many cabinets and newer stainless steel kitchen appliances. They're included. The bathrooms have been updated. The master bedroom with a private master bath. This is a nice-sized ranch with ample space in the backyard. It includes deck, playset, and a large garden area. This home provides great access to trails in the nearby parks, and Meijer is just down the road for easy shopping. The washer and dryer stay. Showings are by appointment. Please use showing time.